Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. So now shopping at the Dollar Tree for June, July of 2025, I found a new kitchen set in the sunflower theme, which I really like. And though we haven't even reached 4th of July yet, they're already bringing out fall and Halloween florals. And in my local store, it seems that they've emptied shelves so they can add in more fall and Halloween decor. And new to Dollar Tree are price raises for very specific categories, such as their Essentials cleaning system. Each piece will now cost $1.50. Their cleaning supplies also at $1.50, with the $1.25 covered up with a red sticker. And their plastic section, which basically contains a lot of their plastic storage containers. And when I checked the rest of my store, I didn't see any other price hikes for the other supplies. So let me know what you think of this change in the comments below. Are you still going to be shopping at Dollar Tree? Personally, I'm still going to keep going because to me, this is only a 25-cent increase and it's still a reasonable price compared to other stores for similar products. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.